Tired of your contacts living in scattered silos? Let's wrangle them into your Kvcore account for ultimate lead management. First, let's cover manually adding contacts on your Kvcore dashboard. Find and click the Add Contact button, usually located prominently on the top or side navigation. A new form will appear. Fill in all the relevant details for your contact, including their name, email address, phone number, and any other pertinent information like address or notes. Make sure the information entered is accurate to keep your data clean. For larger contact lists, importing from a CSV file is your best bet. Prepare your CSV file ensuring each column corresponds to a contact field in Kvcore, such as first name, last name, email, and phone number. Double check that the column headers are named clearly. Next, navigate to the Import Contacts section within Kvcore, often found in the Marketing or Lead Engine menu. Here, you'll upload your CSV file and map the columns in your file to the corresponding fields in Kvcore. Finally, explore Kvcore's integrations with other platforms. Kvcore often integrates with other CRMs or email providers, enabling you to seamlessly import contacts from those systems. Look for integration options within Kvcore's settings. And there you have it. Now your contacts are all in one place, ready for targeted marketing and efficient lead management. Don't forget to subscribe for more Kvcore tips and tricks.